Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing from Fashionphile. It is a Louis Vuitton purse and it's a vintage one. I'm not sure, I think about 20 years old. And let's see what it has inside. I'm so excited. Of course, it'll come with like a nail filer. It has some confetti. That's always very cute. Let's look what's inside. So excited to show you guys. This is so much excitement. There you go. Comes in a little bag. There you go. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Ta-da! This is the Trocadero bag. It's an old one. It's a vintage, but I think it looks really nice in my opinion. Has a little bit of wear and tear here, of course. I bought it for $500. There you go. Here's the whole bag. This is a crossbody bag. It's just one in a crossbody, something easy to carry. This is pretty nice in my opinion. Really like how adorable this is. This is an old bag, but it still looks really good in my opinion. See if I could close it. Zipper. Still works. Still work and still nice. There you go, guys. This is my new purse from Fashionphile. It's a Louis Vuitton purse. It's a vintage one. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I will see you in another video.